Hi, this is your gourmet guru Saloni. Today we are going to do a very famous Indo-Chinese dish which is called chicken chili or chili chicken. For this recipe, I like to use the dark meat, which is the thigh meat of the chicken, because once you fry it, it comes out soft and tender. Now to this chicken, I am going to add some pepper powder, white pepper powder, corn flour, some salt to taste, soy sauce and little oil. Mix this well. Now we are heating the oil, and now that the oil is hot, we are going to fry the chicken. Be careful not to over fry this. Okay, now that this chicken is done, and I'm going to remove it. For Chinese cooking, you normally use a wok, but in case you do not have it, you can use a deep frying pan or a kadhai. Now we will make the chili chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil in a wok. Once it's hot, add chopped ginger and garlic to this. If you like ginger and garlic, add a little bit more. Add green chillies, sliced green chillies, slit. Ensure that the wok is very hot. Once this is done, we are going to add our diced onions as well as the diced bell peppers. Saute for a while. To this I am going to add some soya sauce and some chili sauce to it. In India we add chili sauce to this, and I personally love it. Once this all comes to a mix, we are going to add chicken that we had fried earlier. To this, I am going to add some salt, very little, sugar and a pinch of Ajinomoto. Stir well. Immediately after this, add water to it. At this stage, you can also add the vinegar to it. Just toss it like this. Stir for a few minutes. Take some corn flour and add a little water to it and mix it. We are going to use this as a thickening agent, which is going to thicken our sauce. We are going to be very careful when you use it, otherwise it will become too thick. Use 1 spoon at a time. Now the sauce is thick and nice. Put it on slow flame and let it absorb all the flavors. Last, we are going to add spring onions. These taste really nice when they are crisp. Now the chili chicken is ready to plate. I hope you had a fun time in my kitchen, and if your mouth is watering, go and try this recipe out right now. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such yummy recipes.